Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Square appointments and customer list on mobile. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Square app on your mobile device. Log in with your credentials if prompted. Tap on the Appointments tab located at the bottom of the screen. In the Appointments section, find and select the option for Settings. Scroll down to locate Export Data. Select Export Customer List to begin the backup. A prompt will appear confirming your choice to export your customer information. Confirm the export to generate a file of your customer list. Once the file is ready, it will typically send to your registered email address. Check your email for the backup file link. Download the file from your email. Next, to backup your appointments, return to the Appointments settings. Select Export Appointments. You will see a prompt asking you to confirm the export of your appointments. Confirm to generate the appointments file. Just like the customer list, this file will be sent to your email. Check your email again for the appointments backup. Download the file from your email. Store both files in a secure location on your device or cloud storage. Make sure to review the contents to ensure all data is accurate and complete. You have now successfully backed up your Square appointments and customer list on your mobile device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.